Yuzu Ponzu from Momo Dressing is a premium organic soy sauce made with yuzu citrus. Yuzu Ponzu is a fun and delicious sauce to enjoy at mealtime on your foods like rice, veggies, or fish. Yuzu Ponzu can be enjoyed as a substitute for soy sauce when you want to balance the saltiness of soy with the citrusy taste of yuzu and lemon. Momo Dressing is a company founded in 2013 by Masaki and Yukimi Momose, who wanted to share their love of Japanese cuisine and American culture. They started selling their fine dressings at a farmer's market in Brooklyn, New York. Their products exemplify fine Japanese craftsmanship. Their motto is, "Momo Dressing is food based on human bond." This sauce is a perfect example of their motto. The founders of Momo Dressing want to involve everyone in trying out new flavors. So, if you choose to pick up a bottle of this Yuzu Ponzu, be sure to share it with friends, family, coworkers, or schoolmates. Yuzu Ponzu from Momo Dressing is superior to other Japanese consumer food products because all the products from Momo Dressing are a blend of local fresh ingredients and traditional Japanese bases like miso and soy. This dressing is no exception. It is made using only a few simple fresh ingredients: gluten-free soy sauce, rice vinegar, yuzu juice, lemon juice, brown sugar, dry bonito flakes, and kombu seaweed. These ingredients are fresh and locally sourced, so you can be confident in their high quality and natural taste. Each bottle of this Yuzu Ponzu contains 18 servings. The serving size is 1 tablespoon and contains 10 calories, no fat, no cholesterol, 490 milligrams of sodium, 1 gram of total carbohydrates, no fiber, less than 1 gram of sugar, and 1 gram of protein. This dressing can be stored in a cool, dry place for about 1 year before opening. The expiration date is marked on the side of the bottle. After opening, be sure to keep this sauce refrigerated. Yuzu Ponzu is a versatile sauce that can be used as a dipping sauce, a marinade, or in a salad dressing. Consider putting this Yuzu Ponzu on dishes including shabu shabu, sushi, or dumplings. It goes great with tofu salad, and you can't go wrong pouring some on your rice and veggies. Now, I will open this bottle and pour out some of this Yuzu Ponzu for you to see. The aroma is similar to soy sauce, but with hints of a tangy, citrusy scent. Here, I have some sushi to try out this sauce. The taste is perfectly tangy and salty. This Yuzu Ponzu has a perfect balance of salty, sweet, and tangy flavor. I highly recommend this sauce for anyone who loves refreshing, locally sourced ingredients. This natural Yuzu Ponzu will help you enjoy authentic Japanese flavors right at home. Also, be sure to check out our other videos here on the Karman Foods YouTube channel for more of the best curated Asian cuisine.